This hydraulic crimper is sturdy and easy to operate, with a strong maximum working pressure of up to 20 tons. It has a crimping range of 16 to 400 square mm. The demo is performed on a 70 mm thick wire that will be clamped. As shown, the thick pin is pulled up with great ease. The appropriate dies is then placed as shown. The thick pin is then pushed in. The crimp is placed on the naked wire as shown, and the wire is placed in between the dies. The crimp is then tightened on the wire. The small rotating knob on the crimper is then rotated to release the wire. The crimp can be seen tightly placed on the wire. This handy tool comes complete with a convenient carry case for easy storage and portability.